In this video, we're going to explore the layer view in Ultimaker Cura. The layer view is a powerful tool to check specific details of your printing strategy. Using the layer view efficiently will ensure the best results for your print. We have loaded a part of a shock breaker into the 3D viewer and will prepare to print with an Ultimaker 3 so we can print with dual extrusion. We will use blue PLA as a build material loaded into Extruder 1. Since the model has a lot of overhangs, we will use PVA as a support material. This is loaded into Extruder 2. We will use recommended mode to prepare the model. Let's select a layer height of 200 micron and an infill density of 40%. We will enable support material and assign Extruder 2 to print it. Now that all of the settings are in place, wait for Ultimaker Cura to slice the model. When slicing is finished, we will be able to preview the printing strategy. Click the drop-down list in the top right corner of the 3D viewer and select Layer View. The Layer View will show the slice results in the 3D viewer. It will also show a new control interface with the following options. The Color Scheme selector, which can be used to visualize different properties of your print. A checklist, which can be used to show and hide different elements of the printing strategy. A play button, to simulate the current layer of the printing strategy. And a layer slider to navigate through each layer of the print and inspect specific layers. The current selection shows the material color that the model is going to be printed with. To visualize different properties of the model, select Line Type. To get a better view of the layers, we can hide certain elements. We've used Extruder 2 for support material. If we uncheck Extruder 2 support material for this print will be hidden. If we uncheck Show Travels, we can hide all movements of the print head where material is not extruded. The colored squares next to each element correspond to the colors in the 3D viewer. This makes it easier to determine the printing strategy of each individual element of the model. You can inspect a layer range or individual layers with the layer slider. To use it, grab the top handle and drag it up or down. You can input a layer number in the input field to jump to a specific layer instantly. The same can be done with the bottom handle. When a layer range is visible, you can drag that layer range up and down by dragging the layer slider between the handles. We can simulate the nozzle's movements by clicking the play button above the layer slider. Simulation will start and can be controlled by dragging the progress bar or pausing it and using the arrow keys or Shift plus the arrow keys to step through the simulation. That's it! You now know how to use the layer view efficiently. Thank you for choosing Ultimaker.